Hello and welcome back to Solid Print with me, Benjamin Keyser. Today we're going to flex a little bit as we talk about the all-new Formlabs TPU powder for the Fuse printers. Today marks the release of the all-new Formlabs TPU flexible powder. Designed for the Fuse 1 and the Fuse 1 Plus printers, TPU brings high quality, incredible detail and flexibility to the industrial, affordable market. And SLS flexibility is actually advantageous, we think, to the FFF and SLA flexible materials due to the ease of the process. We don't have stringing and we don't have supports to worry about. What do you guys think that you might want to print on it? If you'd like any more information, or if you'd like to order a sample part of this material, then please do get in touch using the links below, or you can email info@solidprint3d.co.uk or phone us on 01926 333 777. We look forward to hearing from you soon, and even though we're talking about flexible materials today, as always, don't just have a good day, have a solid day.